Hello, good afternoon. We just woke up. At dumating itong in-order namin na regalo for Sander. In advance na namin. Ito, mga ano to, supplies ko to. For SMTU. Ito dito. Yan. Pasensya na makalat ng bahay. Hindi na po magbabago yan hanggat may gawa. Tada! Tsura ko. Sander, this is your gift. Wala si Sander, nasa school pa. I-unbox na namin. Ay, hindi ko pa pala nasabi sa inyo. Ano yan? Gaming chair. Kasi yung chair niya sa kwarto niya, parang siyang office chair, galing pa sa akin. Yung dating chair niya, office chair din siya. Ang bilis masira. Sure ako naka-mommy mode pala ako. Mommy naman talaga ako, mommy mode. Teka, isuot natin tong mic para rinig na rinig niyo yung boses ko. We wish you a Merry Christmas. Ayan. Alexander. Wow, nice. Yan yung pinaka-ano. Naku, matutuwa si Sander. Yeah, taray ko. Malapad na. Ayun, ang bigat din pala. Diba, ang cute ng color.
Baliktad lang yung kalat ko ng hydro.
Yung binili ko na yan, last year yan. Naku, papalitan ko na kasi parang hindi kinaya yung weight ko. Hindi na siya na yung hydraulic niya, nasira na siya. Nakakailang chair na kami. Siguro pang na to. 3 na. Yung isa, okay pa naman, pero kinuha ng kapatid ko. Tapos yung isa, yung kay Sander. Tapos ito, pangatlo. Gagraduate na rin. Macaroni. Hanggang na yan, Pasko, New Year. Hello everyone. So, hindi ko na video yung yung pag-pack. Ay, pag-pack. Ano ba yan? Yan, hindi ko na video yung pagkaka-assemble. Kasi we're in a rush. Nagmamadali na kami kasi late na kami kay Sander. Late na kami pagsundo. We're late.
Happy birthday. And congratulations. Dr. Tina.
Sander ba yan?
I think so. Yeah.
Hindi yan makikipagtulak.
Ayun si Sandra nakaupo.
Sander!
I am tired.
Tired si Sander.
Because I played a lot with my classmates.
Oh, yeah. Nag-practice sila today ng communion on December 13.
30.
13. Hindi ko lang mabigas maayos. 13! How was school?
Good.
Good. Oh, you say ID mo.
It's here.
Pagod yan. Love you.
Love you. Si Boy, madumi.
No, you're not madumi. Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas! Welcome to the Liao family.
Mag-home tour ka muna sa room mo. Dali.
Okay, sure.
Let's have a room tour.
So these are the stairs. You just climb them. And then you just walk, or you can do this.
Maybe, wait. Maybe you use this, mic.
Okay.
Not the room tour. Pasensya na madumi pa, pero mag-room tour na siya.
Hello, everybody.
Your room muna.
Okay.
Room muna.
This is my room. Very cold, I know, and it's so dirty. Anyway,
Ayusin mo, bakit nandyan niya?
that's not my. I don't know.
Ba't mo ayusin mo? Ito naman, hindi na ayos.
Okay. Whoa! Ah! 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 Oh my! Ah! you.
Aww. Oh. Why are you crying?
I don't know.
Why are you crying? Sander is crying. You say thank you to your daddy. Why are you crying?
Thank you, Dad.
Daddy, he's crying, oh. You hug your daddy. You hug your daddy. He's crying.
Yes. Hey, at least I'm still talking. I don't talk when I cry.
Love you. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Thank you so much.
What can you say?
Thank you so much.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Why? Why are you crying?
No more.
Are you happy?
Where's the other?
Are you happy?
Yes. Chair?
Look at your tears, oh. He's crying. Sander is crying. May order siya sa school. Sige, oh. Quiet. Ay. Batusok ka. Nagpa-order ng stickers. Ang dami-dami kong gawa. Look. Ang dami niyang pag...
It's until Christmas.
Ah, okay.
It's until Christmas. That's okay.
Oh my God. Ang dami mo pa-order, ah.
Uh-huh.
3 notepad.
Yep.
3 sticker notes, I mean. Love you, Sander.
Thank you.
Ilang poop ka na, so you can check your new gaming chair.
Can I hubad?
No! Biglang nag-room tour ng... Hindi ako... Wala akong naisip, yun lang ang naisip ko kaagad. So, yun yung bago niyang gaming chair. Tapos di ko pa maanggulo kanina ng maayos. Yan, tuwang-tuwa si Sander. Tan! Ang gulo pa ng kwarto niya. Yan, open na natin yung light niya.
That's it. I need to try it.
Oh, yeah.
But I know if I need to adjust.
Okay. He cried talaga, babe.
And then there, this is adjustable. If you stand, so if you want to lower it down, there's a button here. No? If you want to,
Wow! Hoy, yung aircon lalabas. Jug, jug, jug.
kasi, much better. To lower it down. Sit down and press.
This is so
Wow.
comfy. Thank you so much.
Nice? Is it nice? Wow. Oh. Lagay mo na yun sa basket yung ano mo, sa hamper yung madumi yung damit mo.
Wait,
Ligo
guys.
ka na.
This is amazing. This feels like Tito's chair. Yeah.
Open mo na yung PC mo.
Hey. I
Oh, wow. I like your PC. Oh,
Thank you. Love you so
oh
much.
sige na. Pupu ka na.
Okay.
Love you.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
And then I had such a long day when I was practicing.
Oh, really?
Yeah.